This quick video is going to tell us about this number e. I think that's the big thing that we have to understand. E is a number. E is just a number. So if I type e in the calculator, I get this number. I mean, it's a long number, and the numbers decimals keep going forever. And it looks like there's a pattern, but there actually isn't a pattern. E is a lot like pi. So it's called a transcendental number. So it's a number that has a decimal that never stops and doesn't repeat. So that's basically what a transcendental number is. So E is a number. So when we see E, we don't want to be freaked out by it. It's just a number that's a little bit smaller than 3. Now the natural log is the same thing as log base E. So when we're doing all of these problems where we have natural log of x, we really don't have a whole lot going on. It's the same thing as if I had log base 3 of x, I would be dealing with 3's. Well, here I'm just dealing with e's. So there's not a whole lot different about it. The only difference is we don't have like a number that we're used to work with, but it's basically the same thing. So if I'm solving these problems, I still want to get the exponent part by itself. So I'm going to add 5. So 4e to the 2x plus 3 equals 24. Then I'm going to divide by 4. So e to the 2x plus 3 equals 6. And then how do I get rid of any number that's in an exponential equation? I take a log. Well, in this problem, I have to take log base e, which I know is natural log. So I'm going to take natural log of both sides. Now, the right side is going to become natural log of 6. The left side, natural log of e, basically is an inverse of each other. So this is just going to be 2x plus 3 over here. So then I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So 2x equals negative 3 plus the natural log of 6. And then I would divide by 2. So x equals negative 3 plus the natural log of 6 over 2. That would be my final answer. Now, in this problem over here, I'm going to add 7. So 2 natural log of 3x minus 4 is equal to 28. Then I will divide by 2. So the natural log of 3x minus 4 equals 14. Then how do I get rid of any log? I realize that it's log of a base. So log base e is basically what I would write. Now, real quick, we are not allowed to write natural log base e. You can write log base e, but you can't write natural log base e. But we just have to realize that there's an e down here. So when I'm rewriting this, I can rewrite this as 3x minus 4 equals e to the 14th. Now I solve for x normally. So I add 4 and divide by 3. So x equals e to the 14th plus 4 divided by 3. And that would be my final answer.